Good evening, ma'am and sir. I am Rachel Alfa D. Morteso. I am 41 years old. I am married. I have two children, ages 12 years old and 6 years old. I have four brothers and I don't have sister and I'm the fourth. I am college graduate. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance. I am honest, cheerful, and hardworking person. I want to learn new things and I can follow employer simple instructions. I want to work abroad to support my family for giving them a better future and for the schooling of my children. I don't have experience working abroad, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid serving one family, one couple, and three children. My duties are taking care of kids, cleaning the house, gardening, cooking, ironing, and washing the dishes. To my future employer, I promise to give you the best service, to treat you as my family, and to treat your children with patience, love, and care. To my future employer, see you soon. Thank you.